Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create seamless loops videos in CapCut. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project. Here select your video clips, then add it to your timeline. When you find your video clips in your timeline, it's time to add transition on it. I'm going to add zoom in transition here. Select your transition that you want to add. Now let's go. And in here, if you watch your video, at the end split your video and then press and hold on the last clip and then move it like this at the beginning. Then you guys can find out the loop. Now let's add transition here also. Here you guys can see the loop happen at the end, and then the video begins at the starting, and then I'm going to add audios here. Add the audio which don't have any vocal lyrics. I'm going to add sounds from CapCut app. Cut it here like this and then remove it. Now adjust it like this. Here, watch your video. So this is how you guys can create seamless loop video in CapCut. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.